Hi everybody, welcome back to Rational Code. In this video, we are going to be learning what an IDE is and learning how to set up and install IntelliJ. We are going to be installing the community edition of IntelliJ, which is free and open source. And yeah, let's get started. So first of all, an IDE is an integrated development environment. They are what we physically write our code in, and they're used in software application development, and they provide tools such as a debugger, a source code editor, and build automation tools. And it's not just what we use to write code, but it's what we use to create the files, which have our official code when we want to publish our application. So let's go into our search engine, just search IntelliJ, and click on the first link right here. IntelliJ is made by JetBrains, and they also have a bunch of other IDEs for other languages too. So go ahead, click on download right here. So the Ultimate is a $25 a month subscription for an individual use, and community is free and open source. Community just doesn't have as many tools, and you can't publish a project commercially with community, but for our sakes, for learning for now, we're going to be fine. Just go ahead and download the community edition and click on that once it finished downloading. Alright, now that IntelliJ finished downloading, go ahead and click on it. You can close out your browser while it installs and it'll pop up right here. Sometimes you get a whole bunch of other copies of the installation. Just go ahead and close them out. You only need the one. You can get rid of these. So pull up the main one right here. Click on yes. Go ahead and click next right here. That's just the default installation. If you don't have any other JetBrains products, it's going to create a directory and programming files, which is fine. Just click on the default setting. Go ahead and add all of these. These just basically give our IDE more features for writing code. Nothing too important for now. Just go ahead and click next after clicking those, and then hit install. Alright, now that it finished installing, go ahead and reboot your computer, and it's just going to completely restart. It'll close out all your windows, but that's completely fine. Don't worry about that, then we'll continue from there. So now that we've restarted our computer, go ahead and find the little icon on your computer right here. Find IntelliJ Community, click on it right there. Just click on Do Not Import Settings because this is our first time. You can choose between either the light or dark theme. I personally like the dark one better. It just looks cooler in my opinion when you're programming, so click on next. Don't worry about any of this. All our tools were pre-installed with our download. So these are just some extended tools that we can download for IntelliJ. We don't really need them right now, but if you feel like you want to, you can go ahead and just install them. They don't take that long, or they don't take up that much storage. But for our sakes, it's totally okay just to go by without them. They just offer some extra language support and some library tools. We will talk way more about this in future videos, and you can always go back and install them later if you choose to. So click on next right here. Just hit allow access right here. And that's how you install IntelliJ. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and we will go ahead and create our first project next video.